नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द गॉर्जियस लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, डेलिकेट एंड लाइट वेट ऑर्गेन्जा साड़ीज के बारे में। Today's sarees are going to be very pretty. They have amazing work over them. They are printed, they have thread work, they have zari work, they have amazing work over them. But ladies, before starting with today's collection, let me just tell you that 2022 is already here. It was the first week and I hope you all had an amazing time. And the festive season is already upon us. So you can call it Sankranti, Pongal, Bihu or Lohri, so many different names, but one huge celebration all across our country. So ladies, this festive season we at Varamahalakshmi Silks have decided to make you feel more happier, more special by selecting lucky draw winners every single day till the 14th of January. And these lucky draw winners will be given gift vouchers worth rupees 2500. So you can redeem them right away, very immediately, or you can redeem them on your next shopping experience on our website, that is kanchivml.com. So ladies, now I will be showing you the next gorgeous saree. This one is the one that I'm wearing and it's in cream color. Let me show you the details. On the body of this lovely organza saree, we have florals and leaf jal printed beautifully. Digital print is there, ladies, which makes the saree very colorful. At the same time, it's very lightweight and easy to carry. And let me show you the border. So it's a lovely border. We have gota work, we have kardana work, we have zardozi work, a lot of beautiful work creating a lovely florals and leaves jal here. Beautiful design, ladies. I really love this saree, the color combination. And here's the running style pallu, which has lovely tassels over it. This saree has a lovely self blouse, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH330. Weaver's price is 6,352 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, I love it when you guys join us in the morning for our lives, and I'm amazed. It feels really amazing when you welcome us, say us hi, hello, good morning. It really makes our day at Varamahalakshmi Silks. So let me just welcome our very dear customer, Ms. Bakshika ji. Hi, hello and namaste to you. I welcome you to today's live. Thank you for joining us. And please make sure that you're staying tuned till the end of today's episode, because I'm going to show you many more gorgeous, affordable and beautiful sarees from Organza collection. Now moving on to the next one. It's a very bright colored saree. Here's a gorgeous yellow with red color organza saree. Now this one has zari work, so you can see that we have digital printed work and zari work already. On the body there are floral buttis in gold zari. And a lovely contrasting border in red color has diamonds and florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Gold zari looks very royal on the red color. And the beautiful gorgeous pallu has floral brocade work over it in gold zari with diamonds, and we have zari lines too. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse. It's in red color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW146. Weaver's price is 8,712 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful saree. Let's have a look at the next gorgeous organza saree. Very lightweight, delicate and affordable sarees. Moving on to the next one. This one is a very pastel saree. Very off-white and lovely saree. Let me show you the body, which has florals all over the body printed digitally. And the beautiful delicate border has florals and leaves jal and thread work. Easy breezy and beautiful design. Let me now show you the running style pallu for this saree. And there's a lovely style blouse which has smaller florals printed over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF456. Weaver's price is 5,984. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next saree, just let me know what colors you're looking forward to in today's collection. If you let me know your answers in the comment section down below, I can show you more of your favorites and you can place more and more orders from Varamahalakshmi's Silks. Let's have a look at the next gorgeous one. Here's such a lovely sea green color saree, beautiful color. And on the body of this one, we have florals printed along with the small floral butties and thread work. The lovely delicate border has florals and leaf jal in thread work. And a beautiful pallu, which is a running style pallu. The saree also has a self blouse which has smaller florals printed over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH295. Weaver's price is 6,424. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me just wish a very good morning to our very dear customer, Miss Lakshmi ji. I hope you're having an amazing morning. It's Sunday. I hope you're free. I hope you're relaxed, enjoying your morning with a hot cup of coffee and our live. Please make sure that you're watching our live till the end to have a look at amazing sarees, and also make sure to place the order right away, because as you already know, the Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Now moving on to the next one. This one is also a very pretty one, and this one is in beige color. So on the body, we have florals and leaf shawl printed beautifully in different colors, creating a lovely pattern all over the body. And the border has leaf butties and cross lines in gold zari. We also have diamonds printed here. Here's the beautiful border. It has zari lines over it in gold. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CG390. Weaver's price is 6,072, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next saree, let me just wish a very good morning to our dear customer, Miss Vaishali ji. I welcome you to today's live. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for being an amazing customer. So please make sure that you're staying tuned in today's episode, because I'm going to show you many lightweight, affordable and pretty sarees just like the next one. Let's have a look at it. On the body of this red color saree from the organza collection, fancy organza saree, we have florals and diamonds printed all over the body in a very geometrical form, giving it a very unique look. And let me now show you the border, which has florals and leaf shawl in a geometrical pattern along with the temples here. And then we have leaves and cross lines in zari. So beautiful printed work with zari work on this lovely organza saree. Here's the lovely pallu, which has zari lines over it in gold. And a very pretty self blouse which has florals and leaf shawl printed over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH297. Weaver's price is 5,920. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next gorgeous saree, let me just welcome our dear customer, Miss Adhya ji. Thank you for joining us, and please let me know how I can help you in today's episode. Let me know if there is any specific color or design that you're looking forward to. Now moving on to the next one. Here's a lovely gorgeous saree, and you can see there are multiple colors on this one, but they are from the same color palette. So a very neutral colored saree. You can see brown, you can see rust color, you can see wine color, dark brown color, and there are hexagonal boxes on the body, creating a lovely geometrical honeycomb look. And then we have Kardana stones also on the body, giving it a very pretty, very fresh look. Gorgeous saree. Perfect for evening wear too. Border has florals and leaves jal printed with Kardana stones, and then we have diamond pattern in Kardana stones and mirror. Here's a lovely running pallu It has tassels in brown color, very pretty design. And a very beautiful self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH300. Vivo's price is 7,568 and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections, our Vivo's prices, live timings too. Moving on to it now. Hi guys. Updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. So ladies, I'm back and first let me welcome a very dear customer, Miss Maharani ji. Your name is also very royal and thank you so much for your lovely compliment. It really made my day. And now I will be showing you another gorgeous sari from today's collection. Let's have a look. On the body of this beautiful bottle green color sari, we have curvy patterns. Inside that we have florals and leaves jal printed. Along with that we have polkas and thread work. Here's the beautiful border which has temples, florals and leaves jal and thread work. Very delicate and beautiful design is there. And a beautiful pallu which has leaf buttis, and we have leaves and cross checks and thread work with temples. The pallu also has tassels over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW188. Vivo's price is 6,800. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a dear customer, Kiran ji. So yes, these saris are pure organza saris. These saris are so lightweight, very pretty and have amazing and lovely designs over them. Let me now show you the next gorgeous one. This is also a multicolor sari, but you can see a lot of peach tint on this beautiful sari. Let me show you the body. We have self lines in peach and baby pink color. We have zari lines also in gold zari. Beautiful border is plain, but then we have dollars and boxes in gold zari. And a lovely pallu with zari lines in gold zari too. There's a lovely contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF482. Vivo's price is 5,808 and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just wish a very good morning to our dear customer Dana Suresh ji. Thank you for joining us today, and please make sure that you're staying tuned till the end of this episode because I'm going to show you many more beautiful saris. Moving on to the next one now. Here's such a pretty maroon color organza sari which has zari checks and gold zari on the body, along with florals that are printed digitally. So you can see the lovely contrast of colors and the beautiful pattern on the body. Border has florals and leaves jal, and florals and cross checks in gold zari, and a lovely pallu which has zari lines over it with huge florals which are printed. So you can see the work is overlapping and creating a beautiful pattern. And this sari has a beautiful self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD391. Vivo's price is 5,368 rupees and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Now moving on to another beautiful sari from today's collection of lovely organza saris. Let's have a look at it. Moving on. Another very pastel sari for all the pastel lovers out there. Moving on to the body. It's in peach color. And the body has florals and leaves printed over it digitally. And the beautiful border has temples, florals and leaves jal in thread work. The work looks very delicate, it looks very beautiful. And here's the running style pallu for this sari. We have a very pretty self blouse which has also small florals printed over it, and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY63. Weaver's price is 6,512 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a dear customer, Miss Amina ji. So whatever sari you like, you just need to take a screenshot of it and send it to 8900010002 on the WhatsApp. Now moving on to the next sari. Here's another lovely multicolor sari and all the tones are in green. Let's have a look at the body. We have self lines on the body in different shades of green. We also have polkas and thread work, creating a lovely classic design. Beautiful pattern on the body. Border has floral buttees and then florals and leaves jal in white color thread work. And here's the lovely pallu which has leaf buttees with florals and leaves jal around them. Lovely thread work is there, and then we have colorful tassels too. Let's have a look at the beautiful contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW127. Weaver's price is 6,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you कि आप जानते ही हैं कि त्योहारों का सीज़न ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. आप इसे संक्रांति बोल सकते हैं, पोंगल बोल सकते हैं, लोहड़ी बोल सकते हैं. बहुत सारे अनेक डिफरेंट नाम्स हैं, लेकिन बहुत ही बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है पूरी कंट्री का. सो इस फेस्टिव सीज़न हम आपके लिए और भी कुछ स्पेशल करना चाहते हैं, आपको और भी ज़्यादा खुश करना चाहते हैं. तो रोज़ एट वरमहालक्ष्मी सेल्स हम लोग सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं एक लकी ड्रॉ विनर. इस लकी ड्रॉ विनर को मिलेंगे 2500 रुपीज़ का गिफ्ट वाउचर, एंड ये लकी ड्रॉ विनर्स को हम लोग 14 जनवरी तक सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. गिफ्ट वाउचर्स को आप टोटली अभी रिडीम कर सकते हैं इमीडिएटली, या फिर थोड़े दिनों के बाद वेन एवर यू आर शॉपिंग ऑन द वेबसाइट kanchivml.com, वहाँ पे भी रिडीम कर सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप रोज़ हमारे लाइव्स वॉच कर रहे हैं एंड रोज़ शॉप कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम वरमहालक्ष्मी सेल्स टू बी द नेक्स्ट लकी ड्रॉ विनर. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट गॉर्जियस साड़ी. This one is such a beautiful peach color sari. Let me show you the details. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves printed beautifully. Florals and leaves jal are there in colorful contrasting design. And the beautiful border has florals and leaves jal in thread work. So we have printed work and we have thread work. The sari has a lovely running style pallu and a very pretty self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF454. Weaver's price is 5,984. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a very pretty pastel color. It's a pastel yellow color sari, and let me show you the details right away without any further delay. Let's have a look at it. Isn't it very beautiful? So let me show you the body, which has florals and leaves jal printed, and very vibrant colors have been used on the pastel color body. And we also have small polkas and thread work. Here's the border, which has floral buttees and florals and leaves jal in thread work. And a beautiful pallu with paisleys. We have checks in thread work and tassels, which are very colorful, adding a beautiful bling of color. Let's have a look at the self blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF455. Weaver's price is 6,800. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to the next saree, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Antin Sharma ji. So, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं that today's episode is about organza sarees, fancy organza sarees, and you want to see Kanchipuram silk sarees. So, we will have another episode very soon, and you can watch for black sarees that you're looking out for. And if you need it immediately, you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then हमारे delivery executives at Varamahalakshmi Silks आपको वीडियो कॉल करेंगे आपके टाइम पे, जब भी आप कन्वीनियंट होंगे, जब भी आपके लिए फ्री होंगे, एंड आप वहाँ पे सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी सारीज ऑन द वीडियो कॉल वेरी पर्सनली. यू कैन प्लेस द ऑर्डर टू राइट अवे. Also, please keep watching our lives every single day to look at your favorite sarees in black color from Kanchipuram Silk Sarees. Now moving on to the next gorgeous one. Now this one is a lovely black color with red color organza saree. On the body we have florals and diamonds printed in a very geometrical fashion, creating a beautiful pattern on the body. And the border has temples and florals and leaves jal, again printed, and then we have leaves and cross lines in gold zari. So two types of beautiful work on this lovely organza saree. Here's the pallu in red color which has gold zari lines over it, and a lovely contrasting blouse in red color which has florals and leaves jal printed over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH299. Weaver's price is 5,920. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So next saree is in one of my personal favorite colors, and let me show you this gorgeous baby pink color organza saree. Moving on to it, let's have a look at the details. On the body of this beautiful pastel saree, we have florals and leaves jal printed beautifully. Along with that, we have polkas and thread work. And border has temples and florals and leaves jal in thread work too. Here's the beautiful pallu which has leaf buttis, and then we have leaves in cross checks and thread work. There are colorful tassels also. And a very pretty self blouse which has printed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF487. Weaver's price is 6,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome our very dear customer, Miss Abhilasha ji, and thank you so much for your amazing compliment. Really made my day, and I also personally love this saree too much. I love the print over it, the color and the design. Please make sure that you're placing the order right away for this beautiful saree to avail to the amazing Weaver's prices which are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next one now. Here's the beautiful yellow color saree. Very beautiful and bright color. On the body, we have florals printed beautifully. And the border has florals and leaves jal in thread work. Now here's the running style pallu. And a lovely self blouse also has printed florals over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CX301. Weaver's price is 5,984. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Usha Devi ji. So yes, we do deliver our sarees all over the world globally. So please make sure that you're placing the orders right away, so that we can dispatch our sarees to you and you can receive them right away too, and wear the beautiful sarees and flaunt it from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next gorgeous saree now. Another beautiful pastel pink color sarees here. On the body of this lovely organza saree, we have florals printed beautifully. And then there are polkas and thread work. Gorgeous work, isn't it, ladies? The border has florals and leaves all in thread work, very delicate and beautiful design. and a lovely pallu. It has cross lines, leaves and florals and leaves jal in thread work with lovely colorful tassels. Let me now show you the beautiful self blouse for this lovely sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH298. Weaver's price is 6,800 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, it is time for me to announce the winner from the yesterday's lucky draw. And ladies, I'm so excited that someone who loves Varamahalakshmi Silks actually won this lucky draw yesterday. And congratulations to Miss Maithili Ji from Hanamkonda. Congratulations for winning the 2500 rupees gift voucher. And we are really grateful that you have always given your love and support to Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please giving us all your love and your support too. Now let's have a look at the audio bite that Miss Maithili Ji has given to share her shopping experience with Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's move on to it now.
వరమహాలక్ష్మిలో చీరలు షాపింగ్ చేశామండి. బయట కన్నా రేట్లు చాలా రీజనబుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి. యుఎస్లో ఉన్న మా అమ్మాయికి కానీ నాకు కానీ చీరలు క్వాలిటీ బాగా నచ్చి కొన్నామండి. సంక్రాంతి సందర్భంగా మీ అందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతూ వరమహాలక్ష్మిలో.
So here I am back ladies, and I hope you enjoyed the experience of Miss Maithili Ji. So ladies, please make sure that you're watching our lives every single day and you're shopping also from Varamahalakshmi Silks, because you could be the next lucky draw winner. Now moving on to next beautiful sari. It's a lovely multicolor sari. And on the body we have florals and geometrical checks with pearls and cardana work. Very colorful work is there on the body, and then the cardana stones are adding a beautiful bling to your already lovely sari. Perfect for evening wear too. Border has florals and leaves jal printed, and then florals and leaves jal in beautiful cardana work in wavy design. Here is our pallu, which has geometrical buttis with cardana and pearls work over it, along with the lovely tassels. And there's a very beautiful contrasting blouse for this sari. Let me just show it to you. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ518. Weaver's price is 7,568. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next gorgeous sari. Let's have a look at this beautiful organza sari. Moving on to it. On the body of this very lovely sari in light yellow and red color, we have florals and leaves jal printed, and along with that we have small gold zari work here. We have huge leaves jal printed over it too in gold zari. Very subtle and elegant work. So you can see that gold zari does not shine bright. It shines brightly on the yellow color but does not add a contrast. Makes the design very subtle, very beautiful. Border is a contrasting red color. We have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Here's a lovely contrasting pallu for the sari, which has florals and leaves jal printed in zari in lines, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse in red color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH286. Weaver's price is 5,632. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. As you all know that Weaver's prices are only valid for 24 hours. You need to hurry up and you need to place your orders right away. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari in a lovely color combination. It's a beautiful blue with pink color organza sari. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal printed beautifully along with the floral buttis which are in gold zari. So two types of work on one body of the sari. And a lovely border in pink color has florals and leaves jal in lines in gold zari along with the temples which are in silver zari. We also have polkas in lines in gold zari. Here's the lovely contrasting pallu. It has intricate work of florals and leaves jal in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB251. Weaver's price is 5,632 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, I will be moving on to the next gorgeous sari, and I also hope that you're enjoying today's episode, because as you can all see, these saris are very lightweight, they're very unique, they're very different from all your regular saris. Organza is a very lovely fabric. You can see it falls very beautifully, gives a lovely structure, looks very amazing, very delicate and pretty sari, perfect for all seasons, all festivals and functions too. And also ladies, as you can see that these saris are totally affordable too, so please make sure you're placing your orders right away to avail to the amazing Weaver's prices. Moving on to the next one now. This one is in beige and beautiful parrot green color. Let's have a look at the body. Body has florals and leaves jal printed. Along with the florals and leaf buttis in gold zari. You can see gold zari looks very subtle on the beige color, but still adds a lovely shine here. You can see it in the light. And here's the contrasting border which has diamonds and cross lines, and then we have florals and leaves jal in thread work. Very beautiful and very colorful work. Here's the contrasting pallu which has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. And I will now be showing you the contrasting blouse for this sari, which is in green color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH284. Weaver's price is 5,824. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of lovely organza saris. Let's have a look at it, ladies. Here comes the beautiful color combination of sea green with blue. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal printed in a bright color palette. And on top of that, we have floral buttis in gold zari. Border in blue color has temples in gold zari, cross lines, florals and leaves jal in thread work, and diamonds in gold zari too. And a beautiful contrasting pallu which has florals and leaves jal with diamonds in gold zari too. Let me show you the lovely contrasting blouse for the sari in blue color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH287. Weaver's price is 5,824 rupees and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of organza saris. And ladies, let me know, I hope you're enjoying today's episode. Just let me know your favorite colors, let me know the answers in the comment section down below so that I can show you more of your favorites and you can place more and more orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next one now. Another gorgeous sari, and this one has beautiful gradation work on the body, lovely ombre. So from light blue we are going to midnight blue. On the body we have florals and leaves jal printed. Gorgeous pattern. And we have floral buttis in gold and silver zari also on the body. Border in contrasting pink color has florals and leaves jal in lines in gold zari. And a lovely contrasting pallu has florals and leaves jal again in gold zari too. There's a beautiful contrasting blouse. It is in pink color. It has brocade work on it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH285. Weaver's price is 5,824. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, let me show you another very beautiful color. It's a brown color organza sari. Let's have a look at the details of this pretty one. Here it is. On the body of this lovely sari, we have zari lines creating a beautiful wavy pattern in gold zari, and this sari is very unique. It's an exclusive piece from today's collection. The fabric is very gorgeous. The border has temples, munia buttis, and florals and leaves jal in geometrical designs. Very colorful work is there on the gold zari khadi. And here's the beautiful pallu. which has florals and leaf buttis all over the gold zari. The sari has a very beautiful self blouse, and to place an order for this exclusive piece, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH288. Weaver's price is 13,360, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari now, let's have a look at it right away. Before that, ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's the next sari. So this one is in half and half design. Again, a very unique sari. Navy blue and sea green color. Let's have a look at the body. Body has waves on the navy blue side and curvy checks on the sea green side. So pallu has zigzag lines again in sea green color. We have silver zari work and a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY50. Weaver's price is 7,520. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just remind you that please make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections of saris for you and exclusive Weaver's prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends in fashion, and when you wear saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every event that you attend. And on that note, let me next show you the beautiful sari from the organza collection. This one is in mustard and pink color, beautiful color combination, and the body has florals and leaves jal in zari. So lovely organza sari. On the plain border, we have small gold zari kadi. Beautiful pallu has zigzag lines over it in gold zari too. And a very pretty self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH290. Weaver's price is 7,520, and we need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, now before moving on to the next sari, let me just make a little announcement for all our new viewers. So ladies, since 2022 is already here and we have the festive season upon us already. You can call it Sankranti, you can call it Pongal, Lohri, Bihu, so many different names, but one huge celebration all across India. So this festive season, ladies, we are going to make you happier and make you feel even more special, because this time we will be selecting one lucky draw winner every day till the 14th of January 2022. These lucky draw winners will be given gift vouchers from Varamahalakshmi Silks worth Rs 2,500. So you can redeem it immediately right now on your purchase or on your next shopping experience on our website, that is kanchivml.com. So please make sure that you're watching our lives every day to get to know who's the next winner, and also making purchases from Varamahalakshmi Silks, because you could be the next lucky draw winner. Now showing you the next gorgeous sari from organza collection, a fancy organza sari in beautiful royal blue color. On the body, we have florals and leaf buttis. Huge zari work is there in silver zari, gold zari and colorful thread work in sea green color. Border is in contrasting grey color and it has florals printed over it in silver zari with zari boxes and lines. Lovely pallu which has florals in boxes in silver zari. Brocade work is there. And a beautiful self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH292. Weaver's price is 6,720. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's have a look at the next beautiful sari. This one is in wine color, a very unique and beautiful color. Let's have a look. On the body of this organza sari, first of all, it's very lightweight and beautiful. Body has curvy checks all over it in an overlapping fashion in gold and silver zari. We have small polkas also all over the body. Beautiful gold and silver zari work. Border has temples and zigzag lines in gold zari. Pallu has zigzag lines with temples in gold zari again. And a very lovely self blouse to place in order. Just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH293. Weaver's price is 7,656. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, now before moving on to the next gorgeous sari, it's time for me to make the announcement of yesterday's lucky draw winner. And let me just congratulate you heartfully, Miss Maithili Ji from Hanamkonda. Thank you so much for being a loyal customer of Varamahalakshmi Silks. And we are so glad that you are our lucky draw winner. You will be given the gift voucher worth rupees 2,500 rupees. And ladies, let's welcome her shopping experience in audio. Let's have a look at it with a huge round of applause. Moving on to it.
వరమహాలక్ష్మిలో చీరలు షాపింగ్ చేశామండి. బయట కన్నా రేట్లు చాలా రీజనబుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి. యుఎస్లో ఉన్న మా అమ్మాయికి కానీ నాకు కానీ చీరలు క్వాలిటీ బాగా నచ్చి కొన్నామండి. సంక్రాంతి సందర్భంగా మీ అందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతూ వరమహాలక్ష్మిలో చీరలు.
So ladies, I hope you enjoy the experience and let's congratulate her one more time. And now I will be showing you the next beautiful sari from today's collection. Moving on to it. Another very gorgeous sari with beautiful zari work on it. Let's have a look at the details. This peach color beautiful organza sari has geometrical patterns printed in zari all over the body. Beautiful gold and champagne gold zari work is there on the body. Very gorgeous design, very beautiful pattern. Border has cross lines in zari. Lovely pallu has zari lines over it. And a very pretty self blouse to place. Now please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH302. Weaver's price is 6,720. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very beautiful customer, Miss Rekha Ji, who wants to see unique color combinations in Kanchi Pattu sari. So Rekha Ji, do not worry. I will be showing you a very beautiful collection very soon. So all you have to do is make sure that you're staying tuned to our lives every single day at 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. IST. And we will have a round of beautiful saris just for you in unique colors. Now moving on to the next gorgeous sari from Organza collection in blue color. And the body of this one has floral buttees in zari. The border has temples and zari lines. And a beautiful contrasting pallu which has temples and zari lines over it in champagne gold zari. This is a lovely contrasting blouse. It's in canary yellow color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH294. Weaver's price is 10,208. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's now move on to another bright and beautiful sari from today's collection of organza saris. Moving on to it. It's in yellow and red color. Very festive, very beautiful color. Perfect for Sankranti also. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal in zari. Border is a plain red color with gold zari kadi over it. Very small kadi is there. Pallu has zigzag lines on red color and gold zari. And a lovely self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH303. Weaver's price is 7,520 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, the next saree is in a very beautiful color with lovely threadwork design over it. Let me show you the details right away. But before that, let me tell you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's the next saree. Let's have a look at the details now. Very pretty saree, takes a little bit of time. So moving on to it now. This one is in mauve color. Very gorgeous color, ladies. On the body we have florals printed in bright colors. At the same time we have floral buttees in thread work. Border has florals and leaf shawl over it. A beautiful running style pallu with florals printed on it. And such a pretty pink blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH296. Weaver's price is 7,520. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next pretty saree from Organza collection, fancy organza saree in peach color. Let's have a look at it now. Moving on to it. Very lightweight saree. On the body we have floral buttees in zari. Beautiful, subtle gold and silver zari work is there, giving such a delicate look to this lovely saree. Border has temples, diamonds and cross lines in champagne gold zari. Here's the beautiful pallu. It has temples, diamonds and cross lines over it in champagne gold zari again. And I will now show you the beautiful blouse for this one. And it's a very lovely self blouse which has brocade work all over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH304. Weaver's price is 8,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to another very festive saree. This one is in green color. Let me show you the details right away. On the body of this one we have florals and leaf shawl in gold zari. Gorgeous and beautiful work is there, very royal design. Very small border in mustard color, it's plain. Pallu has brocade work over it. And a very pretty self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY51. Weaver's price is 7,520. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next pretty saree from today's collection of lovely organza sarees. Let's have a look at this together. This one is in beautiful rust color, fancy organza saree. Body has floral buttees and thread work. And you can see the detailing of the florals is in sequins, which is adding a beautiful bling to the saree, making it perfect for evening wear as well. Border has florals in sequins and thread work again. A running style pallu. Beautiful crochet work on the edge of the pallu too. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD776. Weaver's price is 6,424 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous saree from today's collection of fancy organza sarees. Let's have a look at it. A beautiful beige color organza saree with florals and leaf shawl printed all over the body. And bright and lovely colors. Border has florals and leaf shawl and thread work with the temples on the edge and crochet work on the edge too. And a lovely pallu which is in running style design. This saree has a very beautiful self blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BO809. Weaver's price is 6,400 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's have a look at the next beautiful sari now. A very lovely sari coming up for all the lovely ladies. Let's have a look. This one is in peach color. Body has florals printed in bright colors and then florals and leaves jal in thread work. There is sequence detailing. Beautiful, delicate, lovely, exclusive sari from Organza collection. Border has florals and leaves jal print in thread work with sequence work detailing. Again, you can see the beautiful cutout design on the border and a lovely running style pallu. Here's the beautiful self blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW873. Weaver's price is 10,880. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari now. Moving on to the details. Here's another very beautiful, very lovely and pretty sari. This organza sari is in sky blue color and has sequins and cardana stonework all over the body. So you can see that we start at smaller details and then there's a lot of work here. Just adding a beautiful shine. If you see it in the light, you can see the beauty of this. Border has cardana work on it. Simple and elegant design. Lovely color. Running style pallu with beautiful tassels on the edge. And a very gorgeous self blouse. Let me just show you right away. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH291. Weaver's price is 8,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a very pastel color, beautiful organza sari. Let me show you the details right away. So light peach color sari and a very beautiful one, ladies. Let me tell you, one of my personal favorites from today's collection, and of course very affordable also. Body has zari checks in gold. There are florals and leaves jal in a very pastel color palette, which is making the sari altogether very summery, perfect for spring season. Border has small gold zari kadi. Pallu has zari lines with small floral buttis in thread work. And of course, there's a lovely self blouse which has zari checks over it in gold zari. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH289. Weaver's price is 6,592. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of fancy organza saris. Let's have a look at this beauty. This one is in beige and rust color. On the body we have floral buttis printed, florals and leaves jal. And then we have in cross-line fashion, florals and leaves jal in thread work. Border has florals and leaves jal in thread work with crochet work on the edge. It's a running style pallu. And we have a very gorgeous and beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH282. Weaver's price is 8,392. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So my beautiful ladies, now that we are done with these saris, I will be showing you the saris that are draped on the mannequins so that you can have a look, you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape it on yourself, and with your gorgeous smile, with your beautiful smile, you are totally going to glow in it. Now let me show you the first one. This one is in beige and black color, and on this organza sari, we have self lines. You can see there is sequence detailing also. Border has kardana work and sequence work, gorgeous work. We have a running style pallu with colorful tassels and a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CH283. Weaver's price is 11,616. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now we are moving on to the next beautiful sari, another very lovely organza sari in maroon color. And the body for this one has small floral buttis in pink color thread work, which is contrasting beautifully with the maroon color body, which also has florals printed over it. Border has florals and leaves jal. Pallu is a running style pallu. And there's a self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code. That is CF469. Weaver's price is 7,520. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 So dear ladies, let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess to have an amazing week ahead and a very amazing shopping experience too from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And now I'm moving on to the next beautiful sari. This one is in light peach color, and on the body we have floral buttis in gold. The beautiful border has gotapatti work over it in gold zari, and you can see on the border also, on the edge of the border we have a lovely pattern. It's a running style pallu with beautiful tassels. There's a self blouse, and to place an order just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW218. Weaver's price is 5,720. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 And now we are showing you the next sari. It's also the last sari for today's episode. A beautiful sea green color sari which has florals printed over it. It's an aqua blue sari. We also have florals and leaves jal and thread work with sequence detailing. Lovely border has florals and leaves jal and thread work too. A beautiful self. It's a beautiful running pallu and a lovely self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW153. Weaver's price is 10,880. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 My dear beautiful ladies, I really hope you enjoyed today's episode about lovely organza saris. These are beautiful fancy organza saris. You saw that we had a lot of beautiful work over it. Printed designs, kardana work, gotapatti work, sequence work, zari work. A lot of variations and an affordable price range too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe, keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and also keep giving us a lot of your love and a lot of your support too. Namaskaram.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.